I'll show you my stream deck. And you guys are gonna be concerned. The code, I didn't mean to put that on. Here you go. There's no League hotkeys. There's no League hotkeys. That would be cool though. Herb. 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 I put things that like I can recognize at a glance. Like I just need to like recognize them at a glance. So I don't need to like think about the hotkey, you know? Third row, 6 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one? That one? Row 3, column 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one? This one? It's for thumbnails! It's for thumbnails!